Got a need for speed? An aptitude for altitude? Meet drone racing. This one-week camp is your ticket into the world of drone action. You'll learn to pilot racing drones, master speed control, and take part in real first-person view drone races. You'll dive into the physics of drone flight, sharpen your skills on a simulator using a proper transmitter, then move on to racing a real drone in a live circuit. You'll also learn how drones work inside and out, how to tune, maintain, and configure them for maximum performance. Then you'll build your own programmable LED racing hoop, solder the circuit boards, code the microcontroller, customize your visual effects, and fly your drone through your creation. Whether you're a complete beginner or already know your way around tech, this course is for you. Ages 11 to 17, beginners to advanced, all welcome. And the best part? You'll take your full racing kit home. Your racing drone, the video headset, the controller, and your LED hoop. Ready to keep racing long after camp finishes. Ready to fly, ready to race. Join drone racing and take off into the thrill of real drone competition.